In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your Todoist data step by step so you can keep a safe copy of your information whenever you need it. This is really useful if you want peace of mind, you're switching tools, or you just want to make sure your tasks and project data are stored securely. Before we get into it, one important note. You need a paid Todoist plan to access backups. So if you're on a free plan, you won't see this option yet. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Todoist in your web browser or launch the desktop app. Once Todoist loads, look to the top left corner of the screen and click your avatar. This is where your account and app settings are located. After you click your avatar, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you into the main settings area for your Todoist account. Inside Settings, look for the Backups tab and open it. This is the section where Todoist stores available backup files based on the dates they were created. Once you're in the Backups tab, you'll see a list of backup dates. Find the backup you want to save, then click Download next to the desired date. Todoist will begin downloading the backup file to your computer. From there, you can store it in a safe folder, keep it for later reference, or move it to your preferred backup location. If you want the best habit, I'd recommend downloading backups regularly so you always have a recent copy available if you ever need it. And that's it. You've now backed up your Todoist data. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of trouble down the road. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.